Hot Connection Indicator is a brand new electrical fire safety accessory designed to highlight heated electrical connections to the naked eye. The indicator highlights heated connections at their early stage of development, long before they reach temperatures capable of causing fire or breakdown. The indicator simply pushes onto a cable, no disconnection required, gives 24/7 monitoring, and will permanently change colour from purple to pink if the connection becomes heated. This new electrical safety accessory has unique innovation that provides historic heat indication to the naked eye and adds a new dimension during electrical installation condition reporting. The Hot Connection Indicator, the brand new electrical safety innovation helping protect lives, homes, and businesses against electrical connection fires.
The world is turning to solar for sustainability and cost effectiveness. So let's talk about the two types of solar energy systems, on-grid and off-grid. The basic difference between the two is that on-grid works with the grid system, while off-grid works independently of it. In the on-grid system, the solar panels convert the solar energy into DC current, and the inverter converts the DC current into AC current to power your home or business. Any excess current that the solar panels create is fed back into the grid as credit, which can be later drawn back in based on the requirement. However, the on-grid system does not work during power outages, so while it is cost-effective, it is best used in places where the power cuts are minimal. So what about places where there is high power outages or there is no power supply at all? This is where the off-grid solar system is effective. This type of grid system works even when there is no supply from the mains or when the solar panels don't generate electricity. So how does it work? The solar panels generate DC power and the inverter converts it into AC power to run the electrical requirements. When the load of the house or business is lesser than the power generated, that power gets stored in the battery. This stored power can be later used during power outages or even when the panels are not able to generate power. So which grid system is best for me? Both systems have their own advantages. The on-grid system is easy to install and cost-effective. However, they are ideal in places where there is continuous power supply. Businesses can recoup the investment by saving on electricity bills in just 3 to 8 years. The off-grid systems are ideal in remote areas where there is infrequent or no power supply. They generate enough power that can be stored and use at night or when the power grid is down.
What to consider when installing solar panels on your house. Here are a few of the prerequisites to be considered to maximize your solar panel system's energy production. The first step is to identify how many solar panels need to be installed and how much roof area is required to install these panels. A general thumb rule is that for every kilowatt of panels you want to install, you will need 3 panels of 330 watt and about 100 square feet of roof space. You can refer this chart to know how many panels are required for different sizes of solar systems. A typical Indian home system with 3 to 5 members will require about 300 to 500 square feet of space, optimizing for maximum sunlight. Of course, it is important that your roof gets enough sun through the day to maximize electricity production. Tall trees or buildings nearby can block the sun, cast shade on your roof, and reduce the amount of electricity your panels produce. So that's an important thing to consider. So that maximum sunlight reaches your panels, it is recommended that the solar panels be installed on an elevated structure. Direction of panel is important. Since India lies in northern hemisphere, south direction for your panels works best. South-facing panels receive maximum sunlight. A compass comes in handy in this case. Installation angle. Another key factor to look out for is the tilt angle. The angle between the horizontal ground and your solar module should be decided according to your location. You can mount the solar panels on the structure and adjust the tilt angle of the structure between 15 to 40 degrees depending upon your location. For example, if you're living in J&K, you can install solar panels at 35 degrees. Similarly, in Telangana, you should install them at either at 12 degrees or 18 degrees. This on-screen easy reference map should help you to know the tilt angle. Talk to our experts to know more about solar panel installation.